Hello guys, and welcome to another car exposed video. So windy today, I hope it doesn't come through too much, but if you have been following the channel for a while, you probably noticed that most of the work that I do, I use hand tools until I bought this Milwaukee Fuel 3/8 cordless ratchet, which helped things tremendously. And I do a lot of suspension work, nuts and bolts, and taking wheels off and stuff like that. So when you do like a couple cars a day, it definitely doesn't cut it. So I went ahead and purchased a So here it is, a 1/2-inch Milwaukee Fuel brushless motor impact gun. Comes with 3 5-amp batteries and a dual charger for the M12 M18 range. So now I'm gonna go through some specifications on the computer. Alright, so here we are, the computer. Oh, there you go. This is my friend Dave Stowe channel, YouTube channel. Put out great content, testing components, oscilloscope, pressure sensors. Yeah, he's putting out great content. If you wanna check him out, if you like what you see, subscribe to his channel. And yes, tell him that I sent you, that would be fantastic. So let's go to the specifications. So this is the one that I've got, the European version, M18 FMTIWF12. This is the 2 battery package. Mine was 503X, so it comes with 3. Let's go to the main specifications here. So we have the impact rates. There are 3 settings with this impact gun. 420 impacts per minute on the first setting, 2,700 in the second one, 3,000 in the third setting. And then when it comes to torque and RPM, so first setting 130 Newton meters, 510 RPM. Second setting 550, 2,100. Third setting 610, 2,400. And then when I was comparing to the American version, which has a different code number for the gun, they have 2861, seems to correspond to what I have as well. So it's a 1/2-inch mid torque. They have the specifications, which I don't have. They have fastening torque and then nut busting torque. So which corresponds to the fastening torque corresponds to 450 foot-pounds, 610 Newton meters, and then the nut busting torque 600 foot-pounds, which is 813 Newton meters. So I hope this is the case, because it's going to be plenty for what I'm doing, taking off nuts and bolts and wheels and stuff like that. So what I want to do now, I want to do tests of this wheel to get familiar with the gun, see what settings I should be using, like to put the wheel back, to faster the new bolts, and etc. And then I'll probably do a comparison the way that I used to do, taking out the bolts with just a breaker bar and then the gun, see how much time I'm gonna save there. So yeah, let's go for it. Right, so it has one of those covers, so book covers, which taken off with that. So this Vauxhall Corsa, they should be torqued up to 110, which I have 110 left just to check it. That one is 110 at least. Yeah. The old 110. So I've got the battery fully charged, and first impression is sweet, nice and balanced. Yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna put it on a first setting. So the first setting, there you got LED light. Also the battery comes with a battery tester, so got full battery. It comes with no charge, but I charged them up last night. So first setting, number 1, battery fully charged, 130 Newton meters and 510 RPM. Let's see what it can do. Definitely it's not gonna do it. Number 2, so 550 Newton meters and 2000 something RPM. I can't remember now. 2500 I believe. Oh, that was so easy. So easy. So number 2 settings is it did with ease. Let's try the other 2. Oh, so easy. Piece of cake. It's gonna be more than strong for what I'm doing. Number 2 again. Yeah, super easy. Right, so I have the 3 bolts loose, and I want to see what setting I should be using to put those nuts in, or the bolts in. So I've got setting number 1. So that's setting number 1. Now I want to check the torque range. Let me set on 110, which is the torque for these wheels in this car. So they got 110. Let's see if we're getting that. No, we're not. Now I had to tighten up a little bit, so that's 110. Let's see on number 2 what sort of torque that we're getting. Right, section number 2. That was definitely moved a little bit. Right, still 110 Newton meters. That's definitely the one to go. Let's go to 100, 120 Newton meters. Didn't move. 130. Yeah, I mean that's number 2 is way past it. All I need, so I think 140. Yeah, definitely gonna be able to use the speed 2 to tighten up wheels. It's gonna have to be number 1, and then I'll torque it, torque range. So that's good to know. So that's torqued up, and I have to say I'm impressed with it. Really impressed, especially I don't have the kickback that I was expecting. There are a lot of people say, you know, you can shake your hands. At this point, it feels great. Don't have vibrations or kickbacks at all. Yeah, that was nice. Right, so let's have a little fun and a little challenge just to find out how much time am I gonna save using this impact gun. Let me straighten up the wheel. Start the clock. There you go. Stop the clock. Ooh, I'm sweaty. Right. Let's time it with impacts now. I'm gonna leave on setting 2. This is number 2. Battery's still good. Let's see how quickly can we take this wheel off. Obviously don't need to leave it on the floor anymore. There we go. And that's it. So quick and easy. And I have to say, I don't feel any vibration at all using on the gun. It's really good. Right, first impressions, absolutely sweet. I'm really impressed with it, especially the kickback. You know, it's so smooth and so compact as well. I thought it was a lot bigger. But anyway, this was my first impressions of the Milwaukee. Really good impressions, by the way. I'll give another 6 months or a year review when I use it a little bit more to see what's like. That is the plan for the cordless ratchet. Another 6 months, probably give you a review on that. And that's it for today, guys. I'm really curious to know about the time doing with hand tools and the new impact gun. Don't forget to give my friend Dave a check his channel, check his video if you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe and I'll appreciate that. And thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.